Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a link to your TikTok bio. This will work for Android or iPhone, and this will actually be a clickable link that people can click and it'll redirect them to your website or any website you'd wish. So without further ado, let's jump right into it.
Alright everyone, as you can see I'm on my phone here. What you're going to want to first do is open up the TikTok app. This will bring you to your profile here. If it does not, on the bottom right, obviously hit profile and it'll bring you to your profile. I created this profile just for the sake of this video, and as I'm sure you're aware, in your bio you can add a URL or a website. However, it is not clickable, which is what you really want your viewers to be able to do. So in the top right corner of the screen, you have those three lines there. Select that, or three dots, depending on what version you have. Select that. And on the first under account, first option here, manage account, select that. Now down here under account control, you're going to want to switch to business account. Select that. It's going to say a few things here. Give it a minute. There it is, business, select next. Then select what type of category you have. I do YouTube, obviously, so I'm going to do media and entertainment. Select next, and this will switch you over to a business account. Select skip. So now we're back here on my profile, but if I go into edit profile once again, you can see there is now a spot here for adding your website. So if I type in www.mrpetcam.com and select save, and then go back to my profile, you'll see there's actually a link there. If I click it, it'll redirect to the website. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a like, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.